How to post split screen videos in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Now select reel. Now tap on the camera icon. Now wait for some time and tap on the layout button. Now tap on the layout and select a layout. Now once you select the layout, tap on the gallery or you can simply record the video like this. Now select the video you want to upload. Again tap on gallery and select other video. Now tap on next and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.